Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Kullu nafsin za'iqatul maut. Sadaqallahu mawlana al-azim wa sadaqa rasulun nabiyil kareem. Amma ba'd. Definitely every soul shall taste death. A verse from the Holy Quran that almost all of us are well versed with. Death is something that is inevitable and something that all of us, in one way or the other, have faced, either through death of a close family member, child, spouse, relative, friends, colleagues, community members, whatever. But all of us have faced this particular situation in our lives at one time or the other. The question arises that what is death? What happens after death? A lot of people, including Muslims, still do not believe that they will die. They still do not believe, astaghfirullah, that they will be punished or questioned about whatever. Because think about it. If anybody was actually worried about whether you're going to be questioned after death, whether the angels are going to be questioning you, whether you're going to be, dying, do you think any of us would be committing sins? Think about it. So actually, most of us still don't consider death to be a certainty. Inshallah, this Monday, from Umme Sara Academy, we are going to be having our weekly spiritually illuminating talks, which is called Spiritual Nuggets. Under that, we discuss various issues that are related and that may be, na'udhu billah, harmful to our Imaan, and what can happen to enlighten and illuminate our ruhaniyat or spiritual life. So this week's topic is about death, the real life. So this is for women and girls above the age of 14, and inshallah it'll be conducted via Zoom. The timings and the recording will be provided on the group, and if anybody is interested, please do register at our WhatsApp number that's given in the description box below. So let's learn about what can benefit us after death. Let's learn what can benefit us in this lifetime. Let's learn the good things that's going to help us become stronger. Because if you're a strong Muslim, then you are a good human being. Remember that. Because Islam teaches nothing but good, nothing that'll harm us. So come with us and learn more about Islam. Learn more about how to live in this world like a Muslimah. And if you think you're one of those who want to have your spirits uplifted, then inshallah join us this Monday. And once again, you can register on the given WhatsApp number as mentioned in the description box below. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.